Hi folks, Brett here. Offering thousands of apps, the Roku platform is a great way to watch and listen to internet-based content like Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, and the many others. But with the rising prices of subscriptions, if you're looking to keep your costs down, we'll show you our top 12 favorite free apps in various categories to install on your Roku device or TV with Roku built in. Let's get started. First up, in no particular order, is the Roku Channel app. Not only is it available on their own platform, it also has mobile apps for iOS and Android, and for other smart TV platforms including Amazon Fire TV, Google TV, and Samsung Smart TVs. This app, created by Roku, features hundreds of movies, TV shows, and live TV, all for free, and with fewer commercials than you'd see on broadcast TV. It also lets you subscribe to and watch content in their app from premium services, including Paramount+, Starz, Max, AMC+, and many others. The Roku Channel also features original TV shows and films from Roku you won't find elsewhere, including their Emmy Award winner, Weird, the Al Yankovic story. Pluto TV is an ad-supported service that offers hundreds of channels that include TV shows, movies, news, sports, talk shows, game shows, and other programming. It has a grid layout very similar to most cable and satellite services, with programming in just about any category you can think of. Best of all, Pluto TV is completely free. iHeart, formerly known as iHeart Radio, is the first of 3 music apps in this video. iHeart is a free radio service featuring more than 1,500 AM and FM radio stations across the United States. You can create custom stations that play songs based on the artist you select, and they also have podcasts they own, some of which are quite popular. One I recommend is the Stuff You Should Know podcast. iHeart does have premium plans that start at $4.99 per month. Quite honestly, for me, using it for free has never been an issue. Coming up next is Plex. While it does offer free ad-supported streaming TV shows and movies, what really makes this app great is getting easy access to your personal media using their media server. As I've talked about in our free software series, when you have Plex installed on your PC, it acts like a media server. Installing Plex on Roku or any other device with the Plex app lets you play your content directly from your media server, including music, movies, TV shows, or any other audio or video. Plex is free for accessing content on your local network. The Remote Watch Pass, for around $2, lets you access your content even when you're not on your local network. If you want extra features, like being able to record over-the-air TV, syncing your media for offline use, and other features, Plex Pass is around $7 per month. For many of you, the free version will be all that you need. Fandango at Home, which used to be known as Vudu, offers a good selection of both free and paid content. The service offers recent movies to buy or rent in resolutions up to 4K. Usually new titles release on here around a month or 2 after being released in theaters. Their free ad-supported section is not too bad, with thousands of TV shows and movies to watch. Next up is FitOn. If you're into physical fitness or looking to get into better shape, this free workout app is one you should try out. It offers a wide range of workouts, including strength training, yoga, Pilates, and many others. In addition to the numerous workouts from world-class trainers, FitOn also offers exclusive workouts from celebrities like Halle Berry, Gabrielle Union, and Julianne Hough. You'll also find various guides in their app that can be quite useful. Of all of the free ad-supported apps on Roku, where you can watch movies and TV shows, Tubi is considered by many to be one of the best. They now have a library of over 50,000 titles, which far exceeds Netflix, which has on average around 7,000. Just like some of the others mentioned, it doesn't have the latest blockbusters, but you're sure to find something to watch on Tubi for free. Pandora is the second of 3 music services in this video. It's been around since the year 2000, so you've likely heard of it or used it at some point. This free music service lets you create your own stations based on artists, songs, or genres. I primarily use this as background music to fit a certain mood. In addition to the free plan, Pandora lets you listen ad-free, and it also lets you skip and replay songs with plans that start at $4.99 per month. This is another one I've never paid for. The free plan is suitable for my needs. FilmRise is a completely free ad-supported service that offers more than 10,000 hours of TV shows and movies with no login needed to watch. You won't find a lot on here that is new, but you're sure to find hidden gems to make it worthwhile. A couple shows on here worth watching include Hannibal and the sci-fi series Continuum. Next up is YouTube. You all know what this is, so let's move things along. In addition to the countless number of cat videos for grandma to watch, they offer thousands of TV shows and movies to watch for free. Most of which are not the latest and greatest, but you just might find a hidden gem here you'll wish you had seen earlier. YouTube, as all of you know, is ad-supported. To eliminate the ads and get other features, YouTube Premium plans start at $7.99 per month. Right now, the absolute best weather app on Roku is Fox Weather. Because some of you get easily triggered by the word Fox, I assure you there is no politics on here, just weather coverage. In addition to watching their live 24/7 coverage, which is really good, the app also offers weather news, trending videos, local forecasts, and a whole lot more. The last of the music services in this video is from Spotify. Their app, called Spotify Music, gives you access to millions of tracks. In addition to listening to music, podcasts are becoming a popular thing on their service. Most of the popular ones are here. You can use Spotify for free, but you have to deal with ads, can't play songs in order, and can't download to listen offline. Some of their plans have a 1-month free trial. Plans range from around $7 per month up to around $22 per month. Shout TV is an interesting app, especially for those of you looking for hidden gem TV shows and movies. On here you can watch cult status B movies, both new and old, and has a good selection of old TV shows, some of which have been remastered in HD, including classic episodes of Mystery Science Theater 3000. Shout TV is free with ads. They now have memberships to get rid of the ads that start at $3.99 per month. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Let us know in the comments if there's a Roku app you use that you think should have made this list. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and make sure to hit that bell to not miss out on the latest in streaming and other tech-related stuff here on Brett in Tech.